Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem in data analysis using R. In this scenario, the problem involves determining the waiting time of participants at a junction based on their speed, and creating a new variable called waiting time S. This will allow us to compare waiting times based on the participants' group and experience. Quite an interesting problem, right? Now, let's delve into the solution that will help us address this issue. The key lies in using the dplyr package in R. By following the code provided, we can generate a summary table that precisely calculates the waiting times as per the specified conditions. The code begins by setting up a dummy dataset that mirrors the structure of the actual data. It then filters the dataset to include only instances where the speed is less than 2 kph. Grouping the data by ID and junction, it computes the waiting time for each participant and removes unnecessary columns. Lastly, it presents a concise summary table with the calculated waiting times. It's a neat and efficient solution to our problem. To wrap it up, we've successfully addressed the challenge of determining waiting times at a junction for participants with speeds below 2 kph. By leveraging the power of the dplyr package in R, we've obtained insightful results that can be used for comparison based on group and experience. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and engaging. Remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more data analysis adventures.